भीमातीर्निवासाय पंढरीपुरवासिने पांडुरंगप्रकाशाय विठलाय नमो नमः। मरुत्पुत्राय कवये भीमाय भयहारिणे श्रीमदानंदतीर्थाय प्रख्याताय नमो नमः। Dear children of God, Jai Sri Krishna, Namaste. It's the 42nd day since the nationwide lockdown started. I said to myself, love to learn and learn to love. My learned father always had a passion to learn more and more. He said, I am a professor, but I remain a student all my life. I was amazed at his humility. Learning and scholarship tend to make a person proud, but our philosophy exhorts that Vidya should be accompanied by Vinaya, scholarship by humility. There is so much in the world we do not know and have to know. As long as we live, we should love to learn. Life teaches us in several ways. Saintly Akhandanji Maharaj of Vrindavan upheld the fact that there are two types of gurus, Shiksha gurus and Diksha gurus. The latter give us the secret mantra for the uplifting of our soul. The former are many in the world, teaching us the art of living. A simple creature like the fish teaches us that we fall because of our greed, as the fish falls for the worm in the bait. Let us learn to love the great and the small, and learn from them. King Janaka in the Ramayana is a solid example of a detached emperor, teaching us to sit light on our possession. The simple creature, the bee, teaches us to take the best from each flower, to enrich our beehive of knowledge. Let us keep our eyes and ears open, because that is the way to learn. The desire to learn is inspired by the desire to improve one's quality of life. Only man can learn at any age and in any place. The Lord can change tinsel into gold at any time. But first remember, love to learn. Do it with eagerness, spontaneity, enthusiasm, and diligence. Learning is a long process. It's a companion in solitude, a friend in need, a father in protection, and a mother in solace. There is one more phrase that comes to my mind: learn to love. We have only been used to loving ourselves and our own. Now learn what it is to love. This beautiful sentiment is an instinct in animals, but a golden quality in man. Love is inspired by concern, sustained by sympathy. It's crowned with success when it is supported by patience. Love is of various sorts for a person, a relative, a friend, an ideal person whom you admire. Ultimately, it's for the maker of the world. Remember, learn to love him. Call him by any name. I call him Krishna. He is with you 24/7. He never deviates from the path of righteousness, dharma. His patience is infinite. His power is awesome. He waits for man to come back to his arms through the cycles of several births. He sends messages of grace through his satellite saints. But we are at times careless or callous. Learn to love him, and all contentment will follow. Ordinary learning can give us intellectual satisfaction, but learning to love God fills us with the peace that passeth understanding. यहाँ मौसम भी बदले और हवाएं भी बदले, संग साथी बदले और सहारे भी बदले, पर तू तो कभी बदले नहीं, तू तो कभी बदले नहीं। ये बैराग है या अनुराग है, कान्हा तुझे मिलने की आरज़ू जो जागे, मेरा दिल दुनिया से दूर दूर भागे। ये बैराग है या अनुराग है।